Best electric washers. Electric pressure washers are indispensable tools for homeowners and professionals looking to efficiently clean surfaces like driveways, patios, vehicles, and fences. Their ability to deliver high-pressure water flow makes them ideal for tackling stubborn dirt, grime, and stains while saving water and energy. In this article, list 1. Westinghouse EPX 3500 Electric Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse EPX 3500 offers a compact and lightweight design with a maximum pressure of 2,500 psi and a flow rate of 1.76 GPM. Its anti-tipping technology and 360-degree steering wheels make it highly portable and stable during operation. The onboard soap tank and 5 quick connect nozzles provide versatility for cleaning tasks ranging from delicate surfaces to stubborn grime. With a steel wand and nylon braided hose, the build quality is robust, ensuring durability over time. In performance tests, the EPX 3500 excelled in cleaning driveways and patio furniture, delivering consistent pressure and effective results. The anti-tipping design proved invaluable during prolonged use, while the onboard soap tank simplified detergent application. However, its PSI rating is lower compared to higher-end models, making it less suitable for heavy-duty tasks. Users appreciated the compact design for easy storage and portability. List 2. Electric Pressure Washer. The Powrite model delivers an impressive 3,800 psi and 2.4 GPM, making it one of the most powerful units in this price range. Equipped with 4 universal tips and a foam lance, it offers versatility for various cleaning tasks. Its N-core pump is non-corrosive and maintenance-free, ensuring long-term reliability. The ability to suck water from a container is a standout feature, allowing flexibility in environments without a direct water source. During testing, the Powrite washer handled stubborn stains on concrete and brick effortlessly, showcasing its high-pressure capabilities. The foam lance produced dense foam for effective car cleaning. However, the unit's heavier build and shorter hose length slightly limited mobility. Assembly was straightforward, and the machine performed well across multiple surfaces, making it a great all-around choice. List 3. Electric Pressure Washer. The LWQ pressure washer is a budget-friendly option with 2.5 GPM and a maximum pressure of 2,030 psi. Its compact design, anti-tipping base, and multifunctional nozzles make it ideal for light-duty cleaning tasks. The foam cannon and ability to draw water from a bucket add convenience for users with limited water access. Its environmentally friendly design prioritizes water conservation without compromising cleaning efficiency. Despite its lower PSI, the LWQ washer performed admirably on delicate surfaces like patio furniture and car exteriors. However, it struggled with tougher stains on concrete. The anti-tipping design ensured stability during use, and its lightweight build made it easy to maneuver. For users seeking an entry-level pressure washer, this model offers good value at an affordable price. List 4. Electric Pressure Washer 5000 PSI Max 3.6 GPM Power. The Lehigh Tool Washer is the premium option in this comparison, boasting a maximum pressure of 5000 PSI and 3.6 GPM. Its touchscreen control panel allows users to easily adjust pressure settings across 3 modes: soft, medium, strong. The telescopic aluminum handle and large wheels enhance mobility, while the TSS system ensures energy efficiency and prolongs pump life. This model is designed for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. In testing, the Lehigh Tool Washer excelled at removing stubborn dirt and grime from driveways and siding. The touchscreen controls were intuitive, and the adjustable handle accommodated users of various heights. While its higher price may deter budget-conscious buyers, its superior performance and advanced features justify the investment for demanding cleaning needs. List member: Electric Pressure Washer 2.5 GPM Portable Lightweight Power Washer. The Boflin washer offers 2030 psi and 2.5 GPM, combining portability with decent cleaning power. Its lightweight design and dual wheels make it easy to maneuver. while the adjustable soap tank and quick connect nozzles provide versatility for various tasks. The foam cannon prevents detergent from passing through the pump, enhancing durability. This washer performed well on light to moderate cleaning tasks, such as washing cars and patio furniture. Its compact design and smart storage features were appreciated by users with limited space. However, its lower PSI limits its effectiveness on tougher surfaces like concrete. For casual users, the Bothlin washer strikes a good balance between affordability and functionality.